City-state. The city-state is an independent country whose territory consists of a city which is not administered as part of another government. The urban center and its activity supplies the livelihoods of all urbanites inhabiting the city-state. Polytheistic. Polytheism is the belief in or worship of multiple deities called gods and goddesses. They are usually assembled into a pantheon along with their own mythologies and rituals. Feta. It is a brined curd cheese traditionally made in Greece. A sheep's milk cheese varying amounts of goat's milk may be added as long as goat milk makes up less than 30% of total mixture. Olive. It is the species of a small tree in the family Olaceae, native to the coastal areas of the eastern Mediterranean basin as well as northern Iran at the south end of the Caspian Sea. Its fruit, also called the olive, is of major agricultural importance in the Mediterranean region as the source of olive oil. Homer. He is a legendary ancient Greek epic poet, traditionally said to be the author of the epic poems the Iliad and the Odyssey. The ancient Greeks generally believed that Homer was an historical individual, but modern scholars are skeptical. Socrates. He was a classic Greek philosopher, credited as one of the founders of Western philosophy. He is an enigmatic figure known only through the classical accounts of his students. Plato's dialogues are the most comprehensive accounts of Socrates to survive from antiquity philosopher. Pythagoras. He was an Ionian Greek philosopher and founder of the religious movement called Pythagoreanism. Most of our information about Pythagoras was written down centuries after he lived. Thus, very little reliable information is known about him. Sophocles. He was the second of the three ancient Greek tragedians whose work has survived. His first plays were written later than those of Aeschylus and earlier than those of Euripides. According to the Suda, a 10th century encyclopedia, Sophocles wrote 123 plays during the course of his life. Celebrations around the world. Carnival. It is a festive season which occurs immediately before Christmas. The main events are usually during July and February. Carnival typically involves a public celebration or parade combining some elements of circus, masquerade, and public street party. People often dress up or masquerade during the celebrations, which mark an overturning of daily life. Songkran. It is celebrated in Thailand as the traditional New Year Day from 13th to 15th April. It coincides with the New Year of many calendars of South and Southeast Asia. Maslenitsa, also known as Butter Week, Pancake Week, or Cheese Fair Week, is a Russian religious and folk holiday. It is celebrated during the last week before Great Lent, that is, the 7th week before Pascha. Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa is a week-long celebration held in the United States honoring universal African heritage and culture, marked by participants lighting a kinara. It is observed from December 26 to January 1st every year. Sakura Matsuri. The National Cherry Blossom Festival is a spring celebration in Washington, D.C., commemorating the March 27, 1912. gift of Japanese cherry trees from Mayor Yukio Ozaki of Tokyo to the city of Washington. St. Lucia Day. St. Lucy's Day, or the Feast of St. Lucy, is the church feast day dedicated to St. Lucy and is observed on December 13. St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day, colloquially St. Paddy's Day or simply Paddy's Day, is an annual feast day which celebrates St. Patrick, the most commonly recognized of the patron saints of Ireland, and is generally celebrated on 17th of March. Sites around the world. Easter Island. It is a Polynesian island in the southeastern Pacific Ocean, at the southeasternmost point of the Polynesian Triangle, a special territory of Chile annexed in 1888. Easter Island is widely famous for its 887 extant monumental statues called Maoi, created by the early Rapnoi people. Uluru. Uluru is a large sandstone rock formation in the southern part of the Northern Territory, Central Australia. It lies 335 km southwest of the nearest large town, Alice Spring, 450 km by road. Kata Twichta and Uluru has many springs, waterholes, rock, caves and ancient paintings. Uluru is listed as a World Heritage Site. Parthenon. It is a temple of the Greek goddesses Athena, whom the people of Athens considered their protector. Its construction began and completed on the Athenian Acropolis. Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore National Memorial near Keystone, South Dakota, is a monumental granite sculpture by Gutzon Borglum located within the United States Presidential Memorial. The entire memorial covers 1,278.45 acres and is 5,725 feet above sea level. The memorial attracts approximately 2 million people annually. Khyber Pass. It is a mountain pass that links Pakistan and Afghanistan. Throughout history, it has been an important trade route between Central Asia and South Asia and a strategic military location. Forbidden City. The Forbidden City was the Chinese imperial palace from the Ming Dynasty to the end of the Qing Dynasty. It is located in the middle of Beijing, China, and now houses the Palace Museum. For almost 5 centuries, it served as the home of the emperor and his household as well as the ceremonial and political center of Chinese government. Stonehenge. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument located in the English county of Wiltshire, about 3.2 kilometers west of Amesbury and 13 kilometers north of Salisbury. One of the most famous sites in the world, Stonehenge is composed of earthworks surrounding a circular setting of large standing stones. Famous bridges. Bridges have been built for centuries, from a simple log across a river to the engineering marvels of today. The Golden Gate in San Francisco was completed in 1937. When it was built, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world. The Tower Bridge stands over the River Thames in London since 1894. Its 2 walkways are raised to allow boats to pass on the river underneath. The Sydney Harbour Bridge was opened in March 1932. Over 150,000 vehicles cross the bridge every day. Visitors can even climb to the top. The Akashi Kayako Bridge in Japan is the longest suspension bridge in the world. It is 3,911 meters long. It was completed in 1998. The World Wars and the United Nations. World War II. World War II, or the Second World War, was a global military conflict between 1939 and 1945, which involved most of the world's nations, including all great powers, organized into two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis. The war involved the mobilization of over 100 million military personnel, making it the most widespread war in history. Over 17 million people, the majority civilian, were killed, making it the deadliest conflict in human history. Hiroshima, Nagasaki. During the final stages of World War II, in 1945, the United States conducted 2 atomic bombings against Japan in the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. After 6 months of intense strategic firebombing of 67 Japanese cities, the Hirohito regime ignored an ultimatum given by the Potsdam Declaration. UNGA, United Nations General Assembly. General. The United Nations General Assembly is one of the 5 principal organs of the United Nations and the only one in which all member nations have equal representation. It has also established a wide number of subsidiary organs. Security. The United Nations Security Council is one of the principal organs of the United Nations and is charged with the maintenance of international peace and security. Kofi Annan. Kofi Atta Annan, Honorary GCMG, is a Ghanaian diplomat who served as the 7th Secretary General of the United Nations from 1st January 1997 to 1st January 2007. Annan and the United Nations were the co-recipients of the 2001 Nobel Peace Prize. These are special agencies of the UN. United Nations International Children's Fund, UNICEF. It was created by the United Nations General Assembly on December 11, 1946 to provide emergency food and healthcare to children in countries that had been devastated by World War II. World Health Organization, WHO. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations that acts as a coordinating authority on international public health, established on 7th April 1948 and headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. The agency inherited the mandate and resources of its predecessor, the Health Organization, which had been an agency of the League of Nations. International Labour Organization, ILO. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations that deals with labour issues. Its headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland. Its secretariat, the people who are employed by it through the world, is known as the International Labour Office. The organization received the Nobel Prize in 1969. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations established on 16 November 1945. Its stated purpose is to contribute to peace and security by promoting international collaboration through education, science and culture. Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO). It is a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger, serving both developed and developing countries. FAO acts as a neutral forum where all nations meet as equals to negotiate agreements and debate policy. Seas and Oceans. A large variety of plants and animals live in seas and oceans, from the surface all the way down to the deepest trenches. The deeper you go into the ocean, the darker and colder it gets, and the number of living creatures reduce. The ocean depth is divided into 4 main zones. Sunlit zone. The epipelagic zone, also called the sunlit zone, receives enough sunlight to support photosynthesis. The temperatures in this zone range anywhere from 40 to -3 degrees Celsius. Oceanographers have divided the ocean into zones based on how far light reaches. Twilight zone. Mesopelagic from 200 meters down to around 1000 meters. Although some light penetrates this deep, it is insufficient for photosynthesis. The name stems from Greek middle. Animals such as swordfish, squids, wolffish, a few species of cuttlefish, and other semi-deep sea creatures live here. Abyssal zone. The abyssal zone is the abyssopelagic layer of pelagic zone that contains the very deep benthic communities near the bottom of oceans. At depth of 4000 to 6000 meters, this zone remains in perpetual darkness and never receives daylight. It is the deeper part of the midnight zone which starts in the bathyal pelagic waters above. Let us know how scientists study about the sea. Oceanographers, also called oceanology or marine science, is the branch of earth science that studies the ocean. It covers a wide range of topics including marine organism and ecosystem, dynamics and fluxes of various chemical substances and physical properties within the ocean and across its boundaries. Submersibles. A submersible is a commercial or non-military mid-jet submarine with limited service range and is typically transported to its area of operation by a surface vessel or large submarine. Commercial users of such vessels can include oceanographers, marine scientists, and entertainment or adventure companies. Sonar. Sonar is a technique that uses sound propagation to navigate, communicate with, or detect other vessels. There are 2 kinds of sonar, active and passive. Sonar may be used as a means of acoustic location and of measurement of the echo characteristic of targets in the water. Ancient kings and emperors. King Solomon. He was, according to the Hebrew Bible, a king of Israel. In the Quran, he is described as a prophet, son of Dawood, and known as Suleiman. The biblical accounts identify Solomon as the son of David. Alexander the Great. He is the most celebrated member of the Argead dynasty and created one of the largest empires in ancient history. Alexander received a classic Greek education under the tutorship of famed philosopher Aristotle. Succeeded his father Philip II of Macedon to the throne in 336 BC. Julius Caesar. He was a Roman military and political leader. He played a critical role in the transformation of the Roman Republic into the Roman Empire. Peter the Great. He ruled Russian Empire from 7 May 1682 until his death. He carried out a policy of modernization and expansion that transferred the Tsardom of Russia into a 3 billion acre Russian Empire, a major European power. Napoleon Bonaparte. He was a military and political leader of France and Emperor of the French as Napoleon I, whose actions shaped European politics in the early 19th century. Queen Victoria. She was the Queen of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland from 20 June 1837 and the first Empress of India of the British Raj from 1st May 1876 until her death. Akbar the Great. He was the third Mughal Emperor of India. He was of Timurid descent, the son of Humayun and the grandson of Babur, who founded the dynasty. Akbar, widely considered the greatest of the Mughal emperors. Olympic Games. After some time, all champions retire. However, the great ones are remembered for many years to come. Here are some famous Olympic Games and famous Olympic personalities. Discus. The discus throw is an event in track and field competition in which an athlete throws a heavy disc called a discus in an attempt to mark a farther distance than his or her competitors. Pole vaulting is an athletic field event in which a person uses a long, flexible pole as an aid to leap over a bar. Pole jumping competitions were known to the ancient Greeks as well as the Cretans and Celts. Track and field. Track and field athletics is a collection of sports, events that involve running, sprinting, throwing, jumping, and walking. Organized athletics are traced back to the ancient Olympic Games from 776 BC. Swimming. The aquatic sport of swimming is based on the human act of swimming, that is locomotion in water by self-propulsion, usually with the goal to complete a given distance in the smallest time. Gymnastics. Gymnastics is an activity and a sport involving performance of exercises requiring physical strength, flexibility, agility, coordination, balance, and grace. Artistic gymnastics is the best known of the gymnastic sports governed by the Fédération Internationale des Gymnastiques.